Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you ways to fix Monopoly Go freezing or crashing. So, if Monopoly Go is freezing or crashing on your device, you can try these steps to fix it. The first step is restart the game. So, close the app completely from the background also and open the application again and see if this resolves your issue or not. This usually resolves minor glitches. Now, another step that you can try is clearing cache. Go to your Monopoly Go application, hold it, click on eye icon at the top of this menu, or you can also navigate to settings, navigate to app info and open Monopoly Go. Now on this page, click on storage and click on clear cache button. After you click on clear cache, your problem will be solved. Also, reinstalling the app may be the only option to clear cache sometimes for iOS users. Now third way you can try is checking for updates. Make sure both your device operating system and Monopoly Go application are updated to the latest version, as updates often fix bugs and stability issues. In order to check it, go to Play Store, click on search icon, search for Monopoly Go and click on the update icon that will be seen just right here. Now, you also have to ensure you have enough storage space on your device, as low memory can cause apps to crash. Now you should also check your network connection because a poor internet connection can cause the game to freeze. Try switching to different Wi-Fi network or use mobile data to see if it helps. Also, if the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall the application to clear any corrupted files. So that's how you fix Monopoly Go freezing or crashing. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.